Ma-vlog ta. Good morning! Baby Faith! So we're going to Stampede. Hahabol kami ng parade. So kasama namin si Baby Faith at si Tita Ay. Ayun. Nagmarites sa likod. Yeah.
Thank you to Tita and
Happy 4th of July! Happy Stampeding Calgary! Happy Stampede! So papunta kami ng train station sa Heritage. Magti-train kami. Iwan namin yung sasakyan sa Heritage Station. Tapos mag-train kami kasi mahirap ang parking sa downtown. Wala kaming absent sa Stampede every year. There you go! Ayan, naka-Stampede attire ang iba dyan.
what's that?
So, we are here at the train station now. Bababa na kami sa City Hall. Hahabol kami ng parade. There you go. Okay, there you go. We are here now in the downtown. At black belt, Jong, no?
No.
It's not? Ayan. Oh! Enjoying watching the Stampede, guys. Stampede parade.
Mga last 2 years, mami, nakapagpapicture ako sa mga ganyan. Sa mga silpin.
Diyan, sa gitna.
Sa ano, hindi na natapos na, may mga pulis. May mga nagpapapicture sa kanila.
Ay, okay.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Look at that body. Woo!
Can you see it?
Grabe, lalaki ng mga kabayo.
Nagcha-charge ka?
Ayan, oh.
Oh, sige na, sige. Sa club, ako din sa club. Siya, sige ano. Bawal.
Yahoo! Guys, ngayon to. Milyon ang tao dito ngayon sa Calgary. Happy Stampede!
So good. Good morning, officers. How are you today? Would you like to be on the microphone? Are there some ground rules for the parade? Everything goes?
Grabe na mga kabayo, tita. Saan kaya nila tinatago itong mga kabayo na to? Pag winter, no? Grabe.
Bakit?
Ano daw?
Sige, hindi ka
Guys, ayan ang Pilipinas. Wait.
Watch yourselves, guys.
Pilipinas! Ay, baka may naulan na bad music na kasi parang iba yung kanina sa video niya. Stampede Park. Stampede area. Tapos na yung parade. Ayan. Kaya lubat-lubat na naman ako. Ayan. So hindi na kami mag-train. Lakad na naman kami. Exercise. Kami sa welcome to the greatest outdoor show. Calgary Stampede. The greatest outdoor show on earth. Yan, people are stampeding. Okay. Thousands of people, ang dami-daming tao. Oh, galing kami ng parade. So, muna kami dito, pasyal-pasyal sa loob.
Two-stroke one day in the house, you gotta love a smell of a two-stroke in the morning. This guy is gonna take a turn with that 250 in the second gear. I want you guys to look left to right to left, use the voice and say hello to Darren right in the house. Yes, you're gonna see some originality on this one. You take a turn, one more time, let's put those hands together and say hello to Darren right. D-Dog is in the house. Now that we know our riders, we know they're fueled by our applause. The louder we get, the bigger they go. Who's ready for round one? High-flying freestyle moto, something in the noise, Calgary Stampede. We're about to throw down on this one. Watch the bikes, watch the body. Here we go. Yes, whipping it out, the Indy whip on that one. I'm gonna see who's gonna be the loudest. All my ladies, let me hear you make some noise.
Manalo kami dito, oh. May free na, free coke, scone, and win. Putok ang mga putis. Labos! Opa! Manood kami ng concert dito tapos uwi na kami. We're done for today. Because Stampede is 7 days, right? 7 days ang Stampede, di ba pa? So, opening pa lang ngayon ng Stampede. First day of Stampede. Yeah. Grand opening. Don't, baby Pig, stay there, ha? Ano oras pa? Andres, come on! Uwian na! Uwi na kami! Naka 4 hours na kami dito. Uwian na! Thank you, Tita Ay! Thank you for the libre. Yan na, mag-i-end ako sa vlog ko. Kasi, ayan o. Sa mga gustong pumunta dito, kailan Wednesday at saka Sunday yung free. Yan, isang linggong selebrasyon. Ay! Baby, ang malawak na. Okay na, baby, take a sit down right there. Okay, I'll carry you. Okay. Come on. I'm not tired. Ano sa'yo na open yan? You want to just walk lang down the aisle? Not tired. Okay, going home na kami. Thank you, Stampede. Iuuwi na yung iba nagsisitaktingan na sila, Tita Ay. Oh, grabe. Nagbabayad na. $16 pa, Tita Ay, ang bata. Ah, si Carl lang ang may bayad. Ay, hindi. Si Carl at si Buddy. 7 na. Diyos ko, dalawang tag $16. Plus adult, Tita Ay, how much? 25. Bo, Diyos ko, dalawa kami ni Dibon 50. Tapos dalawang 16. Mga ano?
Ay,
Pero si Andres almost 100. Grabe, Tita Ay pa. Puta naka-free. Naghabot. Thank you na kay Tita Ay. Nag-free tayo ni Tita Ay ng burger at saka ng rice. Oh!
After ng parade,
Oo. There you go.